everyone, I am Miriana Calvano and I am a PhD student in computer science at the University of Bari, Aldo Moro. I will present the poster titled The Symbiotic-by-Design Approach to Integrate Large Language Models in Usability Testing. Impact of artificial intelligence on society is reshaping how humans carry out activities in many domains. Among the different types of AI, large language models have received great attention in recent years due to their strong communication capabilities being trained on vast amount of data and being particularly swift and timely in responding to requests in natural language. This is leading to a new scenario in which both parties, specifically humans and AI, collaborate to reach a shared objective while learning from each other. In fact, this work aims at exploring how large language models can support evaluators to define tasks to administer during a usability study. This research is based on the concept of symbiotic AI, which refers to AI systems designed to enhance and support humans rather than replacing them. These systems adapt to human mental models and help people make informed decisions. In this work, across the whole methodology, a symbiosis by design approach is undertaken. It is important to underline that the symbiotic by design approach is considered to understand whether the requirements that characterize symbiotic AI can be applied also to large language models. This approach defines requirements for AI systems intended to work closely with humans, which must allow them to oversight while providing transparency so that humans can understand and interpret the model's behavior. AI systems should also offer clear explanation, ensure inclusiveness, and avoid discriminatory behaviors. Finally, they must protect humans by guaranteeing privacy and security, preventing harmful and misleading AI behaviors. The research question that laid the ground of this work is: can large language models support evaluators in defining tasks for usability evaluation studies? To answer this question, a five-step methodology was designed. An AI based system applied in the medical domain was considered as a reference for the generation of tasks. The starting point is defining a prompt to ask different LLMs, specifically ChatGPT, Mistral, and Gemini, to generate usability tasks. After collecting outputs, the most coherent and relevant tasks were selected and analyzed. Then, an interview with a usability expert was conducted to validate the utility, precision, and completeness of the task produced by the models. Specifically, utility refers to the relevance of the task for the usability assessment of the system. Precision refers to the clarity and level of detail of the instructions for the user. Completeness refers to the extent to which the task mentions the necessary pieces of information for the analysis. Finally, the tasks by LLMs were compared with those defined in a previous human led study to assess how closely they aligned with the real expert defined task. Our results show that ChatGPT emerged as the best performing model, providing tasks with higher feasibility and overall quality, reaching a score almost equal to 4 for precision and almost equal to 5 for completeness and utility. This finding was also confirmed by usability experts' evaluation. As shown in the chart, in fact, ChatGPT scored consistently higher across utility, precision, and completeness where compared to Mistral and Gemini. To make the results more concrete, here are some examples of tasks generated by ChatGPT. For example, the first is view the results of the patient's last examination. Second is view the list of cell images classified according to a category of your choice, etc. Even if these tasks are different from those used in the human-led study, can be considered a good result since can be executed through the system's functionalities. In the end, from this study, two key takeaways were identified. First, human oversight remains crucial. Although LLMs can generate meaningful tasks, the results are not yet reliable enough to be used independently. Second, LLMs can nonetheless support the process in valuable ways, for instance, by speeding up the brainstorming phase or offering alternative task formulation that evaluators might not have considered. In this sense, LLMs function as partners that can enhance human decision making process rather than replacing them. Thank you for the attention.